It's your boy Peter, and I am here putting up some security camera. Yes guys, so just screw up the boxes now and put in camera. So I have my camera here. So guys, I go screw up the camera now, board this box, and then screw up the camera. Just to make you see where I'm going, guys. These are the camera that I'm installing now, guys. These are the camera that we're installing right now. So I install that one here right now. Up there, so see what I'm going, guys. So I don't have no camera stand. I have to just show you after I done install it. Okay, guys. Not fully done it, you know. Just put it up. So I just screw it up, you know, and sitting, and put up the box. The box I'm gonna put up. Put the wire them in, yeah. So that never there now. So I just screw it up and something. Alright, guys. There. Finish this already. Finish it now. So the one over there is finished. So that's we're gonna put up one camera up there, so guys, I'm gonna put up that one here, so one there right there, so guys, so I'm gonna put on another camera again inside, guys. So I'm gonna put on another camera inside. So guys, catch when I'm going in to install another one. So I'm going to the van now, guys. Go to the van now. It's the place, guys. So we have 4 more camera leave. Alright, so put them in here, so into box there, so we have 4 more camera leave to install. So I'll go ahead and do what I have to do. Take up one and go around here, so take up one of these boxes, guys. So go around on the back, so I'll carry leather, guys. So you're gonna see when we reach around there, so when I go see when I carry leather, guys, you see what I alone have the camera? Yeah. Alright, guys, so I go fit up the other one here up there, so guys, just show you guys when I screw it up. You get something to catch a camera up on one way. So can't be able to show you when I screw it up. Alright. Guys, this them bad man for talent, you know. Tip yeah, good. Guys, at this them bad mind for guys. Some boy in a like me for. You understand? Raw talent, bad mind. And I me tell them if you can't do this. And I me tell some boys say them not to go to school to take in education and can't do this. So we have bad mind for. And you know if you have education to do this, ambition are the key, but some boy don't have no ambition. Some boy don't have no ambition. You understand? We rather do this. I never born with it. We learn it, we catch it. So some boy can do the same thing. You understand? And some boy have the opportunity we can do. They can do it. But then choose not. But sit down and then bad mind people when them see them do it. You understand? But we don't watch them, God will say.